Hello everybody and welcome to Loxahatchee, Florida. I am here today to show you another new construction which is absolutely stunning because it has 1 acre and a bit.
Loxahatchee is a community located in Palm Beach County, Florida. This city is located just north of Wellington and west of Royal Palm Beach, approximately at 17 miles of the city of West Palm Beach. This community took its name from the Loxahatchee River. And guess what? This is perhaps the most rural area within proximity to West Palm Beach, with lot sizes ranging from 1 to 20 acres. Along with the acreage, this place is well known for loose land restrictions and the native and exotical animal presence. Fun fact, what does the word Loxahatchee mean? Well, it's a Seminole Indian word meaning river of turtles.
So this is the model house. They have set up here a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. You'll see that they have set up a design center in one of the rooms. They have some clients there, so I might not be able to take a video inside. And they have a 3-car garage where there's other people inside inquiring about this model. So let's just go inside. Keep in mind, this builder is building in 2 situations. On your lot they can build, and the price for the homes are very different. The prices are different. Or they can build on their own lot, when the houses, the price of the lot and everything would be included in one final price. So the price.
And as we start previewing this model, I want to tell you a little secret. They're so confident in the energy efficiency of their homes that they will pay your energy bills for up to 1 year.
I hope you like it because I know this house looks really nice. 561-568-9318.
As a kind reminder, experience isn't expensive, it's priceless. Choose your realtor wisely and hopefully you'll choose me. 561-568-9318.